This video will guide you through renaming your Sony WF Wireless Freedom earbuds. Renaming makes your earbuds easily identifiable in Bluetooth menus, especially useful if you have multiple Bluetooth devices or share them. We'll cover how to do this using the Sony Headphones Connect app and your device's Bluetooth settings. The primary method involves the Sony Headphones Connect app, available on both iOS and Android. First, download and install the app. Then, ensure your earbuds are connected to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Open the app, and it should automatically detect your earbuds. Navigate to the Device tab within the app. First, open the Sony Headphones Connect app and navigate to the Device tab. Within the Device tab, locate the Device Name setting. Tap on the Device Name setting to begin editing. A text field will appear, allowing you to enter your desired new name for the earbuds. Note that the name is limited to alphanumeric characters and typically up to 32 characters. Once you've entered your new name, tap Save or OK to apply the changes. Alternatively, you can rename your Sony WF earbuds directly through your smartphone's Bluetooth settings. This method is supported on iOS 16 Plus and Android 12 Plus. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and locate your paired Sony WF earbuds in the list of connected devices. To rename your Sony WF earbuds using Bluetooth settings, first locate your earbuds in your device's Bluetooth device list. You'll see them listed with their current name, like WF1000XM5. Next, tap on the settings icon next to your earbud's name. On iOS devices, this is usually an eye icon, while on Android, it's typically a gear icon. From the menu that appears, you should find an option labeled Rename. Tap on this option to proceed. Now enter your new preferred name for the earbuds. You can use letters, numbers, and spaces up to the character limit. Finally, tap Done or Rename to save your changes. The new name will now appear in your Bluetooth device list. Even with the best methods, you might encounter some issues when renaming your Sony WF earbuds. Let's go through the most common problems and their solutions. First, app bugs can occur on older Android versions below API 31, causing renaming to fail or the app to crash. The solution is to ensure your Sony Headphones Connect app is completely up to date. If problems continue after updating, try restarting both your phone and the earbuds before attempting to rename again. Connectivity issues might arise after renaming, such as Bluetooth pairing problems. In this case, check for any Sony firmware updates or hotfixes that specifically address these bugs. Finally, remember that performing a factory reset on your earbuds will revert the device name back to its default setting. You'll need to go through the renaming process again afterward. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve most issues and successfully rename your Sony WF earbuds. Tech reviewers praise the renaming feature for its ease of use. Remember, renaming is a customization feature, not a hardware change. Custom names aid in quick pairing and organization. While future trends suggest AI-driven naming suggestions and cross-device syncing, privacy concerns are also rising regarding data collection for customization. Tech experts rate the feature highly at 4.5 fifth, but suggest avoiding over-reliance on phone apps. Renaming your Sony WF earbuds is a simple yet effective way to personalize your audio experience. It helps with easier device identification, especially in households with multiple Bluetooth gadgets. Whether you choose the Sony Headphones Connect app or your device's built-in Bluetooth settings, the renaming process is straightforward and greatly enhances your ability to manage connected devices. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to maximize your audio gear and get the most out of your wireless earbuds.